What's up, sons? It's BlindRod with Son of a Tech once again, and welcome to the most profitable time in Ethereum mining ever. That's right. I was sick for the past 2 days. Sorry for missing videos, but it didn't matter because even though we were sick, we were still making over $1,000 a day mining Ethereum. So there you go. Let's talk about it right after a word from our sponsor. The following is a paid advertisement. Prime XBT is an established trading platform that was founded in 2018 and remained in business through the bear market. From my personal research, there are 3 main reasons they set themselves apart from other trading platforms: high leverage, low fees, and most importantly, privacy. Prime XBT requires no user information to start trading. The newest module, called co-vesting, allows users to copy the trading activity of other users. Remember, any form of investing comes with significant risks, so do your own research. Use promo code SONOFATECH at signup for a 50% bonus. Welcome back. So if you guys haven't noticed yet, essentially it's super profitable now to mine Ethereum, and it's insane. With the increase in price, along with the insane amount of fees that are building up, we are seeing record high Ethereum mining rewards popping off all over the place. With just a gigahash a second, you would be over $100,000 a year, and it scales up from there, provided of course things don't change with EIP 1559, etc., which we can discuss in another video. But as it sits right now, you can actually pay the ridiculous prices that are on Amazon for these GPUs and still ROI in less than 100 days, which is crazy. Now, we are waiting for EIP 1559, which is supposed to be in, of course, July. But even then, we still have 45 days, and I just don't know. I don't know what to tell you guys, but if you guys want to hop on Amazon right now and pay $1,600 for a 5700 XT to start mining, you'd still be good. Now, we talked a little bit, of course, about the all-core devs saying you should plan on a return of investment by the end of 2021 to be safe if you are investing in mining Ethereum specifically right now. That doesn't take into account other coins and cryptocurrencies that we can mine later on down the road with, of course, GPUs, and it doesn't take into account what is going to be happening with 1559. Now, that's 2 different things, right? So one is going to decrease the profits by 30 to 40%, while the other one could potentially allow you to take longer on your return on investment. Either way, here's some of the numbers and a little bit about why this is happening. So if you're wondering why the profits are so high, that's pretty easy to see. If you go to Etherchain and you take a look at the blocks that Ethermine is basically finding right now, they are super high. Rewards of 8 ETH, 5 ETH is low, 11 ETH, 11 ETH, 10 ETH, 10 ETH, 10 ETH, 11 ETH, 11 ETH. These are insane. Look at this, a block reward of 16 Ethereum. To give you guys an idea, the block reward for Ethereum for finding a block is 2 ETH. Everything else is fees on top of that. Now, we've been talking about MEV, issues with MEV, and why it's not good for the network. However, it is appearing to be very lucrative for miners now that pools have implemented it, especially in the case when we start seeing high fees like we are right now. So not only are we having high fees, high price of Ethereum, but we are also having, of course, the added value of miner extracted value that the pools are providing, of course, the miners. What's insane here is during this time, Ethermine actually went down for 30 minutes. So if you take a look here, an incident with our share validation engine caused shares to be rejected for 30 minutes. Now, they are compensating by removing fees for 48 hours. Of course, if you're mining on Hivon Pool, you already are not paying fees. So, you know, what's the benefits? Of course, with MEV, it's hard to tell. I know a lot of people want me to compare these pools. I stick with Hivon right now. We do tutorials on Ethermine. It's been around the longest. It's really up to you. We can go into other reasons why you compare these in a different video and why you can't really compare them because of MEV and the way block rewards work with fees, how it's highly unpredictable. That being said, holy moly, if we take a look, and I have a rig down right now actually, so you'll see we're only at like 2.73 gigahash. I have a CPU issue going on that I'm trying to get fixed, but I wanted to get a video out for you guys. Even with that down, and we were sick for the past 2 days, we were doing a ton of hash, right? So with about 2.7 gigahash a second, we are doing 0.26 ETH a day, which is $1,070 a day. We are doing $7,490 a week, and holy moly, that is intense. So let's talk about building yourself a rig right now, because everybody's trying to get in. And like I said, right now you can get in and pay these exorbitant costs for graphics cards and still ROI in 90 days, provided this remains the same. Now, with high fees like they are right now, this usually comes crashing back down as far as fees. So it won't last forever. Also, you need to keep in mind that in July, which would be 2 months about, right, considering if they actually are able to come out with that on time, etc., then you will also have another 30% decrease due to the fee burn. So there's a little bit going on here, and you need to keep that in mind. But we're going to go off today's numbers, and you'll see that it's pretty crazy. So if we go back here and we take a look at what to mine, and then we pull up a single 5600 XT on Ethereum, it would be making $10.13 a day. You can currently, and links will be down in the description, purchase with, of course, an HDMI cable to, you know, prevent those dirty miners from picking them up. A package with an HDMI cable to stop miners. Yeah, okay. Anybody else get how ridiculous that is? All right, so with that, you get a free HDMI cable, all right? It's all good. With that, it would be $950. There's 20 left in stock. I'll leave links down below for you guys. Your ROI after power at 10 cents a kilowatt hour would be 95 days. So you have about 40 days there that are going to be in question if we're talking about London and EIP 1559 coming in and where that's all going to settle. We also don't know where these fees are going to settle. ETH is hot right now. People that are trading on DEX with decentralized exchanges and getting into DeFi, they're spending so much money that the fees are not bothering them because they have the potential to make so much money. So this could last for quite some time. In fact, all the way till July, potentially. I don't know. Now, last time we had super high fees, they eventually did settle back down after the last block, but trading was really low on Ethereum, and really we were still in that Bitcoin pump. Now we're in that alt season. The sky's the limit at this point. Sky's the limit, but that's 95-day ROI. Now, if we took a look at a single 5700 XT, you were looking at $14.06 after power, and that is $1,600. So if we did 1,600 divided by 14.06, you are looking at a 113-day ROI. So if I'm purchasing GPUs right now, which one am I purchasing? The 5600 XT. Now, this does have the Prime check mark next to it, and that is going to be super beneficial if you are talking about, of course, making sure you aren't going to get scammed or canceled orders while they try to up the price of this particular graphics card. So there you go. Now, me personally, am I going to be buying any more GPUs? No, we are capped out on power. Some good news is we are looking at some industrial space that we'll be moving the rigs out to here shortly, hopefully, and we will be documenting that process with you guys so you guys can get an idea of what we're doing as far as power drops, cooling, airflow, etc., and the process of moving all the rigs out there. Now, we will go over costs and all that as well, and it might not be the best time to be doing that for everybody, but for me and this channel, thanks to y'all and of course the YouTube revenue, a portion of the YouTube revenue is always going to be around there to help boost that little mining side, and then in conjunction, moving those two together, hopefully the channel will grow. You guys will be able to get more information as I learn more about how to do this and operate a business, which, to be fair, is the first time I've ever done anything like this. So I'm going to try to share with you guys what I learned, and hopefully I don't f it up. Thanks for watching, guys. Right now, it's super profitable to mine. You are free to purchase anything on Amazon because at this point, why not? I'll see you next Tuesday. If you enjoyed this content, you can check out more crypto content on this playlist up here. Or, of course, go ahead and subscribe for more in the future. Adios.